She thought she was completely alone during lockdown until someone started coughing inside her house. On April 12, 2020, in Chicago, Illinois, 34-year-old Rachel Conway was isolating after a COVID exposure. No visitors, no deliveries. Her doors were locked, but at 2:41 a.m. she heard coughing, deep, wet, painful, coming from her basement. Rachel froze. She hadn't been downstairs in days. She grabbed her mask, her phone, and slowly walked toward the basement door. A shadow moved under the gap, followed by a whisper. "Do you live alone?" Rachel ran outside and called 911. Police arrived and found the basement door open, food containers missing, and a makeshift bed behind the furnace. The intruder was Tyler Gaines, a COVID-positive fugitive who hid inside homes while residents were quarantined and unable to leave. But Rachel never re-entered her house. Her phone was found on the lawn, still recording her final terrified whisper. "He was living here while I was locked inside.